With the ORI Pocket Closet, you can have the walk-in closet you've always wanted, but never had the room for. Developed by the pioneers of robotic interiors, the ORI Pocket Closet provides more storage, but takes up less space. At the touch of a button, it effortlessly expands so you can access ample storage, then contracts to give you back your space for living. Its sleek, modern design features shelf space and a powered display nook that can hold a flat screen or a favorite piece of art, and a fold-down desk that can double as a workspace or a small dining bar. Open your closet with one touch of a button on the ORI Square interface, a tap of the digital remote in the ORI app, or with your voice using Google Home or Amazon Alexa devices. Inside, the ORI Pocket Closet delivers the full experience of a walk-in closet, with shelves and hanging space, allowing you to configure an area that fits your life and your things, from workout to workday to weekends. If you already have a wall closet built in, add the moving half of the pocket closet to automatically double your storage. If you're missing a closet altogether, the moving and static halves of the pocket closet combine to create a walk-in closet on demand in any space. Worried about safety? The pocket closet has an automatic obstacle protection feature that stops the movement of the closet when it feels 2 fingers worth of force. If the power goes out, the pocket closet can be moved manually, then easily reset when power is restored. The ORI Pocket Closet ships flat-packed and can be self-assembled in just a few hours. To install, simply secure the track to the floor, then plug the system into a conventional outlet. Get more storage that takes up less space with the ORI Pocket Closet. Reimagine your space with ORI. Find out how you can order an ORI Pocket Closet today